sponsored by Miss Noemi Bunyan. For updates with upcoming events in Clark, like and follow Visit Clark on Facebook, and you may visit their website at www.visitclark.com.
Pagsikat ng araw, sa bakery tayo. Sa bakery.
Nananawagan po ako sa second runner ng relay natin. Please proceed sa Pocari Sweat booth. Yung second runner ng relay. Diyan po ba kayo? Second runner ng relay. Proceed po kayo dito sa Pocari Sweat booth. Para maihatid po kayo sa transition area. Last 60 seconds. Are you ready?
Nauna pa nga dumating. Tapos wala pa sa listahan.
30 seconds. All right, runners in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, runners! Once again, the Berlin Ultra Marathon is brought to you by Smoke and Events Management. Good luck, runners. Run safe and finish strong.